Question number 27. The average weight of 6 students increases by 2 kg if a student who weighs 48 kg is replaced by another student. What is the weight of the new student? There are 6 students, that is 5 students plus 48 kg 48 kg student. It is the average is x. Let x is the average. Now new student is replaced by 48 kg student. Now the average is raised by 2 kg. Then 2 kg rises means there are total 6 students, right? 6 students. Then into 2 kg plus 2 rises, that is 6 into 2 12 kg. 12 kg rises. Then 48 kg student is replaced by 48 plus 12 kg, that is 60 kg student. That is new student weight is 60 kg. This is the required answer.